Hey guys, we're back. We got a new vehicle here that we're working on. We got a 2014 BMW X3. It's the F25 chassis. And today we have a burned out reverse light. So, to kick it off, we are going to need a 921 light bulb to put in there, and it should be fairly simple. As far as we've got our access panel here. Pop that down. Once we get in here, we've got this little fuse array. How can we see? How good can we see? Not very. Let's see. Let's get you closer here. Just got our panel off. We got this. We just pinch, pull down. Course, and there's our bulbs. So we got our reverse light right here. So we're going to change that out right now by just pulling it, and then we'll put a new one in. So let me set you down here. I wonder if we can just... There we go. We're going to pull this one out. It was a 921. We're going to put the new one in. Pushing just like that. And we've got the bulb replaced. So let's kind of tuck everything back up in here. Go. Push, push. Push, push. Everything's back where it goes. Panel goes back on. We're done. So that was literally 2.5 minutes. So please, simple, easy repair. I'll leave a link for the lights below. Thanks for watching. Give us a thumbs up, and we'll see you all next time.